Few hospitals which I will not be able to name, when the patient has reached to the hospital management, the hospital management authority, instead of taking the patient for the treatment, they are waiting till the test of the COVID test is being done. We have already told them, any point of time, if the patients, any patients coming from any destination, coming to any hospital, whether it is at a private hospital or in the government hospital, we cannot deny any treatment. Nobody can deny the treatment. So what happened all these days, which we have received a complaint, when they have brought the patient to the hospital, it has to be lying there for 24 hours, 48 hours, because they are waiting for the COVID test to be result to be come out. So by the time the health of the patient, it has been deteriorating, and the conditions of the patients has been completely deteriorating. By the time they be take to be recover, it takes more time. That's why we have told them at the same time also together simultaneously, since we are waiting for the report, you have to take also for the treatment immediately. You know, ang rubay kani bagi hapo ki hospital, balada don manu no kinongpang ibalik sa hospital ada kadi private lani kadi ka government. Bagam ban up hado bandami yang report jogat COVID test. Kini ban sim no wot na kabata ban ai gijing sumar ya gitu ginongpang. Kani kadi ka decision ka ba gila sim mane ha kani ka meeting.